Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So another minus 3% day for the NQ today. Let's have a look on the price action. So this is the 10-minute chart. You can see here we had this tap of the daily volume imbalance around the 50% of that imbalance and continue the downtrend. And of course, as the market opened, we had this fake out from the opening range and continued the sell off. So today, Powell gave his opinion about the economy, and you can see that the amount of uncertainty is, let me tell you, above the COVID crash. So nothing optimistic from the Powell side about the economy, about the tariffs and all the stuff. So yeah, and market literally had 300-400 point downtrend while he was speaking. So yeah, from around 600, 18,600 to down 18,120 for about 480 points sell off. So if you open the 3-minute chart, you can see that after the after 11:30, this fake out of the opening range, where we had a continuous downtrend momentum, and we one more time faked out the 50 MA, and then of course continued the sell off. So, but of course, this is a very difficult price action to trade as the liquidity is below the COVID levels. So if you there is a chart here, you can see, so the liquidity levels are below the COVID crash. So yeah, this is completely risk off environment as of now, and there are no, investors are cashing out basically. But around 15:30, so we had a small reversal, and actually we got a daily close above this crucial supply and demand level. But in order to have an upside momentum, I would say we need to hold this level. Otherwise, we are going back to this. The push of the origin was here around 17,400, and we are going to retest this level again. At least that's the minimum scenario, right? So yes, not very clear price action until 11:30. So very difficult to navigate this price action, and yes, we need to actually be very attentive to our entries and closes in order not to get wiped out. So yeah, on the other hand, if we have a look on the VIX chart, VIX is trying to bottom out here around 30 area, and yes, we have this 10-minute volume balance. We had a tap, we had another tap, and I think we will close it fully tomorrow, as we are having a lot of beats. So today was the VIX expiry day, and yeah, you can explain the hard price action because of that as well. So yeah, we are going to close, I think, around 37.5. This is the gap which can be closed fully, and yeah, the retest of the 40 area is crucial to me. And of course, as I said, yes, in yesterday's review, we are having a 1-day volume balance below around 24 area as well. Yeah, moving to the net flow, you can see this 20 million call spike out of the money, which is basically a bearish bet on the markets and in the money ones as well. So sorry, this is at the money. In the money ones, you can see here around 6 million a couple of times, and around the close around 8 million premium. So basically, after the monthly expiry, it is weeks. There is still market participants are bidding towards volatility. So yeah, these contracts are expired. We will wait tomorrow to see the updates as well. And yeah, SPX in the money flow right around this fake out, 200 million net flow to the downside, put exposure. And yeah, basically they marked the top for the day. Uh, that's I think pretty much it. Back to the NQ chart for tomorrow. I will expect to have some uh, clarification if we are going to stay above this supply and demand zone or below. If we lose this demand zone, there is a bigger chance, as I said, we can go to this 17400 level on NQ. And yes, you can see that this was a beautiful, beautiful bounce from the -1 ATR. Yeah, um, you can expect some kind of uh, support here for tomorrow as well. But yeah, it remains to be seen how things are going. Because you can see that after this fake out pre-market to close this volume imbalance, we never again reclaim this put trigger. The yellow thing is the put trigger. Yeah, so pretty much bearish continuation as we anticipated on the weekly review. And yeah, there is some supports here, and we will see how tomorrow develops. So thanks for joining me, and have a good one. Thank you.